So recently, I've been getting some information from those people who are new to crypto that have just joined our community here, and questions like how they can buy coins on different exchange, how they can transfer coins from one wallet to another. So I'm making this video because of you, and I will keep making a video like this which speaks to basic understanding, basic task that you have to understand concerning cryptocurrency, like movement of coins from one exchange to another, how to trade using peer-to-peer method on different kind of exchange, how to move from one wallet to another, all those kind of basic knowledge about cryptocurrency. So let's get started today with how to transfer coins from Binance to other wallets. So let's get started. I'm going to show you practically on how you can do that. So this is my Binance account, and on this account you can see that I have just $19.96. Then I want to transfer like $10 to another exchange. So what am I going to do here? I will just come here. I will click on assets here. I will click on the assets. I've clicked on the assets. Then this is sports. I'm now under sports. So I want to send like $12 now to other exchange. So I just click on send. This is send. You can see it. I will click on send. Then you can see here, you can send to Binance users. You can send to you can use on-chain withdrawal. For you to send to Binance user simply means that you are sending to other people that are also using Binance. But this on-chain withdrawal now, this is going to a non-Binance users. Maybe the person is using Bybit, Bitget, or Gate.io. You have to use this second method to transfer your coin from Binance to any other exchange or any other wallet. So I will click on on-chain withdraw. I've clicked on on-chain withdraw. So I want to transfer USDT. The same method goes for any kind of coins that you want to transfer. But for this video, I'm going to use USDT as an example in this video. So I click on USDT here. Just click on it. I've clicked on it. Then here it's requesting for the address of the wallet I want to send to. So I have to go to my other exchange. I want to transfer to Bitget exchange now. So let me go to my Bitget exchange and copy the address from there. So guys, this is my Bitget exchange, and I only want to copy USDT address from this Bitget exchange. So I will come here, I will click on add funds. I will click on add funds. All right, so you can see deposit crypto, you can see credit card, P2P trading. So I'm going to use deposit crypto. I will click on this. Can you see it, guys? Can you see it? So I click on deposit crypto. Then I'm going to search for USDT here. Once this place pops up, so I click on USDT. You will click on USDT because that's what I want to transfer to Bitget exchange. So I've clicked on USDT. Then you can see BEP20 here, Binance Smart Chain. You can see Ton, you can see Solana, you can see TRC. So the commonly used one is BEP20. So I want to use this one, this network, Binance Smart Chain, for my transfer. So I click on it. Then I will come here and click on copy. So now I have copied my wallet from Bitget exchange. So I will now go to my Binance now. So I'm going to paste my address here. As you can see here, I will just put the address here. Long press to paste. So I will paste it there. Then I will come to this place to select the same network I selected in Bitget. Some people used to make mistake in this space. you have to use the same network that you selected in Bitget. And remember, I selected Binance Smart Chain BEP20 from Bitget. So I must select the same network here also. So I click on that, and you can see BNB, you can see OPB, you can see Ethereum. So I'm going to select this same BEP20 that I selected from Bitget. I will select it also from Binance also, so that I'm transferring from the same network to the same network. Then I will come here. I want to transfer much. Let me transfer just $12. $12. Then I will click on withdraw here. So I click on withdraw. I click on withdraw. Or you can see here, ensure that the address is correct and are on the same network, because transaction cannot be cancelled. Once you have done all these things, you have done your due diligence, then you have no issue when you are transferring your coins from Binance to any other exchange. So I click on confirm. I click on confirm. I've clicked on it. I've clicked on it. All right. So I have to fulfill all this one. You can see my authenticator app and my email. I have linked these two things to my Binance account before. I will just pause this video and I will do them right now. Authentication app. So after I've gotten my code from Authenticator app and also my email, I have put the code in those two places, and now it says my withdrawal is being processing 12 USDT, estimated completion time within like 5 or 10 minutes. So that's all. I have made the transfer now from my Binance to my Bitget. Let's go and check Bitget. Maybe the dollars have dropped there or not. So you can see it here, guys. The $12 have successfully dropped in my Bitget exchange. It is as simple as that. There is nothing like a rocket science in this at all. It's very easy. Just follow the step and you can transfer your fund, be it USDT, be it any kind of coins. Just ensure that you are not using different network. The same network you select for the recipient account is the same network you are using on the sending account. If you can do this, then you are covered. You are not going to experience any kind of loss in the process. Alright guys, don't forget to also like this video and subscribe if you have not done so, because more of this video will be coming your way from this channel. So you can also turn on the bell notification. I remain your friend, guys, Shina Oladele. Thank you, and let us meet again in my next video.